Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by negative number 4. So we have like this. Next, 3x, that is about number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2x. So we need to add about 3 over 2 square. Later that we need to minus about 3 over 2 square. So negative number 4 multiplied by this one. So we put this one go outside, and that should be about positive number 9. So this one we sum together, and that is about 16. So we have number 4 and we have number 16. We can do about factorization, and that is about number 4. So the square root of number 4, that is about number 2. This one, that is about identities. So I will have x minus 3 over 2 everything to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x minus 3 over 2 equals to number 2 sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have number 4 sine t square, number 4 and number 4. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. Dx we change for this one. This one, that is about number 4 sine t square. So number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, that is about cosine t square. The square root of this one, that is about number 2 cosine t. So number 2, and number 2, we have 8. Cosine t, we have cosine t square. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So 8 divided by 2, we have number 4. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about arcsine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.